Welcome to the complete Webump setup guide for Discord servers. In this video, learn how to invite, configure, and fully customize the Webump bot, including how to unlock free premium features. First, go to the official Webump website. Scroll down and click the Get Started button. On the next screen, click Invite Webump. Select a Discord server, authorize the bot, and it's ready to go. After installation, check out the guide page to see available commands. Also open the documentation for deeper insights on setup and features. Now for the basic setup of the Webump bot. This section covers the essential commands needed to make the bot fully functional in your server. Use the command/description setup. This command sets the main advertisement message that will appear when the server is bumped. It's usually a short promotional text describing what the server offers, such as features, community vibe, or what makes it unique. Paste your server ad into the prompt and confirm. Next, use /channel setup. This command tells Webump which channel in your server should display bump messages. It's important to set this so that every bump gets posted in the correct place, keeping things organized and visible. After that, use /invite setup. Here, choose what channel the bot should create an invite link that new users will click on to join your server. Make sure it's a valid. This is the link that will be shown to users when they see your bump ad in other servers. Finally, preview the setup by typing /preview. This command generates a sample bump ad using all the information entered: the description, the server informations, and who is bumped by. It shows exactly how your server's ad will appear when broadcasted across Webump's partner servers. For premium users, additional customization options become available, allowing for a more professional and eye-catching bump ad. Start with the command/color setup. This lets the user add a custom color to the bump layout. Just paste in a hex code to apply a color theme that matches the server's branding or aesthetic. Next, upload a banner image. This visual appears at the bottom of the bump ad and helps the server stand out when listed in other servers' bump channels. Choose a high-quality banner that reflects the community's identity, such as a logo, artwork, or theme. With Premium, Webump also unlocks auto bump every 1 hour. This feature allows the bot to automatically bump the server at regular intervals, no manual input needed. It keeps the server consistently active in the bump rotation and increases visibility. After customizing the color and banner, run the command/preview. This shows the updated bump ad, now enhanced with a custom layout, banner image, and branding color, exactly how others will see it across Webump's network. To initiate a bump manually, type the /bump command. This sends your ad to all partner servers. It appears in their bumps channel, styled with your custom layout, banner, and invite. To ensure a safe and family-friendly experience, Webump allows users to filter out inappropriate content. If NSFW, or not safe for work, servers are not welcome in your community's bump feed, this can be disabled. Simply turn off NSFW server visibility. Once disabled, Webump will prevent adult or explicit servers from appearing in bump results shared to your server, helping maintain a clean and appropriate environment for all members. Want to unlock Premium for free? Here's how it works. Start by voting for Webump, a total of 20 times on official bot listing websites. Each vote supports the bot and brings you closer to earning a reward. Once 20 votes are submitted, run the command/claim premium. This will generate a unique premium code tied to your Discord account. Then activate premium in your server by using the command/redeem code. Paste the code and confirm. Premium features will be instantly applied. As a bonus, a free premium code is displayed in this video. To explore all features, pricing plans, and long-term benefits, visit the premium page on Webump's official website. There, you'll find a full comparison of free versus premium tiers, so you can choose what works best for your server. And just like that, the setup is complete. With Webump, any server can increase visibility, attract new members, and stand out with custom bump ads and banners. For more helpful tutorials and updates, be sure to subscribe and stay connected.